breakthrough in car connectivity. Coming to Europe, onboard Opel and Vauxhall vehicles, connected by OnStar. Immediate personal services at the press of a button. 24 hours a day.
This is OnStar. How may I help you?
Discover what it can do. Emergency services, remote link, stolen vehicle assistance, roadside assistance, vehicle diagnostics, destination download, and another connectivity highlight, 4G in-car Wi-Fi for all your mobile devices. The future at the press of a button. Connected by OnStar. Brought to you by Opel.